And you're rolling. November 4th. Ready for Remembrance Day? Wow. Look at her go. All on her own?
Half on my own.
Nice Miss Coca sweatshirt on a dreary gray November day. I'm gonna try to go so I can get all of you in it. There we go. Great song. Is that trampoline beside you next?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how we look from the back. Oh, we got a Canadian maple leaf. Very nice.
Ni resa ni volan, sí.
Oh.
Too much like work. Yeah, it's good. Now we know you can do this. No more help.
I'm gonna bring a camera every Tuesday.
Exactly. Very goal-oriented. Smile to your fans.